Hey lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tea haul. So I think I did one around this time last year too. So, I am officially part of the DAVID'sTea Super Steeper Club. That means I spent a certain amount to qualify for it this year. Yeah. So we're just not going to talk about that, but I am going to show you all the things I got. So recently, and by recent I mean from like end of September through Black Friday, these are some, no, I think this is everything. This is everything that I have bought from DAVID'sTea. I did have some other tea things that came in, which was with Days of Matcha, but I actually did a different video on that. So if you want to check out that bundle and just ceremonial grade matcha tea in general, check out that video. I have it linked in the description box below. But this video is about DAVID'sTea. So let's go ahead and just jump right in because your girl went a little crazy. So we're actually going to start with the drinkware because I just have it here. So dang you, Christine, the Hollow Queen, simply nailogical. In love with that hollow, and I just got tumblers. So I originally bought the black one, and then I was like, I need a baby one. So I got a baby one. And then I was like, I want a two-tone one. So I actually had bought a different one than this. It was like a blue, gradient blue, light blue. And then once I had it for like 2 weeks, I realized I don't like the light colors. Like, aside from white, I don't like the light gradient. So Halloween comes around and I buy this. Did I need another one? No. Did I still buy it? Obviously. And not gonna lie, this has probably been my favorite tumbler. Reason I'm justifying two, because one is normally holds water, the other one holds tea and coffee, and I don't mind if the smell actually stays in. I haven't had that issue yet, but just in case, that's why I was okay with two. Technically I have three, but I'm gifting the other one, so it's fine. And then the small one just for small drinks. So that is that. Also up here, so this is their organic agave. Now I absolutely love their vanilla one, but it has not been in stock for like 4 or 5 months. Yeah, and then one of my last orders, the main reason I placed an order was because they had these on stock. I put like 3 in my cart. 2 days later, I get an email, we're out of stock. So sorry, you don't get them. Here's everything else though. This was the only reason I really bought anything. So no vanilla, but I am going to try out just their plain agave, see how it compares to the agave I already have, if I like it more or not. We shall see. So another item that, I kid you not, this is like kind of one of my pet peeves I have with DAVID'sTea online. It's like, however they're doing their inventory sucks, because I have been trying to get this mug since this time last year, and I have bought, quote unquote, bought it 4 times. Like, it's in my cart. I go to purchase. 2 to 3 days later, I get an email saying, sorry, this product is out of stock. You'll be refunded. Here's the rest of your order. And I kid you not, all those 4 times, the mug was the only reason I placed the order in the first place. So here she is. This is a color changing mug. I have a blue one from my last video, and I kept seeing this one. Originally I wanted both of them. This one got canceled. I just told you the whole story behind that, but I finally got her. I was scared the last time. I was so scared. And then the tracking number got messed up. Y'all, I was annoyed. But she's here. She is like my favorite mug. It comes with the lid. You can salsa, or you can put it underneath for your tea or whatever. But she's finally mine. I'm so happy she's finally mine. I end up getting the blueberry matcha 10, and this holds 4.4 ounces of the blueberry matcha. I absolutely love their blueberry matcha. It's just a mix of regular matcha with sugarcane and natural blueberry flavor. So obviously it is sweetened. It has 6 grams of sugar, 5 of which are added. I'm okay, because to me this is a treat and I don't mind. So I bought this, but I am, yeah. All these are blueberry matcha, so I wanted to make sure. I think these are all 2 ounces, but yeah, your girl's obsessed. Also, was it beginning of the year, I had also a sample pack of the matcha. It came with blueberry, strawberry, and peach. I ended up getting 2 more of the strawberry matchas because I love matcha and I love strawberry, and these were actually pretty good. So I ended up getting just 4 more ounces of that. So every year David's Tea puts out I think it's 24 teas of Christmas or whatever. They did a matcha one this year. So you know what your girl had to get? Because of my matcha obsession? Yeah. So basically, yes, like that advent calendar of matcha. I think total there was 19 or 20 different matchas in here. And then, like this one has, table. This one has, honey with matcha in it, and then there's matcha covered chocolate, chocolate covered matcha, there it is, and one of them, and then gummies that are covered in matcha. And yeah, this was like a little bit before their sale, so of course I tested out a few of them, which led me to stock up on this one. This is the maple matcha. So basically I just took the flavor out of here and I was like, I want one. It was on sale. I was like, we're gonna get it. This is no longer available, although it was on the site for about, I would say almost a month and a half. So I'm pretty sure it did pretty well, and it will probably be on there next year. Some of the flavors in here, we got matcha mitsu, vanilla matcha, wasn't a big fan of. Peach matcha, also wasn't a big fan of. Blueberry, maple, yazoo, pumpkin pie, raspberry, gingerbread, candy cane, salted caramel, berries and cream. I'm excited for the berries and cream, but I don't want to taste it until they start back selling it on the site, which I don't think it is until spring. So we're going to hold off on that one. We have mocha matcha, lavender honey, cherry blossom, mango, strawberry, wild honey, blueberry, white chocolate, yeah, the white chocolate stars with blueberry matcha. Oh, so here are the things that were not teas. It was the white chocolate stars with blueberry matcha, milk chocolate stars with peach matcha, white chocolate stars with salted caramel matcha, vegan matcha alligator gummies, and then honey with matcha. Yeah, so, and then I just love the box. So once I'm done with the teas, or once I find somewhere I can display this is getting displayed. It's a little bit of glitter, but it's actually not too much, so winning. I have been on a Robos kick. Pretty much, I don't even know which flavor I have, but I was like, wait, this is caffeine free, but also flavorful. Like, I love black tea, but I'm trying to get away from caffeine a little bit because of my matcha obsession. So I'm like, I need other teas that are not caffeinated. So they had a gingerbread, and I'm like, it's the holiday seasons. Heck yeah, I'm gonna get a gingerbread. So this one's just red and green Robos. I haven't had it yet, but I am super excited for it. And then this is actually a black tea, but it's the Decaf vanilla chai. I absolutely love chai tea. Again, I just need the decaffeinated version. So these are another two like treat ones I'm excited to make lattes out of. While I was dealing with my whole tea obsession, I was like, you should probably actually get some that you really do need, and that is the raspberry leaf. So this is the organic raspberry leaf bliss. So if you guys don't know, raspberry leaf tea helps so much with menstrual cramps, with just relaxing the body, especially during that time of the month. You can definitely drink it whenever, but they do recommend raspberry tea when it is that time of the month. And I got 2 of them. This is actually an interesting tea for me because I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. That is what it looks like. Unlike like tea leaves, so that's a raspberry, and then it's like, to me, because of all the plants, I'm like, why the heck do I have stagnant moss in here? I know the other comparison what this looks like, but it's raspberry leaf tea. And it tastes really good. I end up getting 2 of these because I'm like, I am a menstruating human, and things hurt and we need to relax. So stocked up on that. I got 2 of those, which should last me for a while. And then last but not least, I actually still have it in the box because I'm still using the one downstairs. But I got another 16-ounce steeper because I did the thing I said I wasn't going to do. And I put turmeric tea in the one I had downstairs. So even when I was listening at some of the reviews, they were like, don't put certain teas in here or it's going to stain the plastic. It stained. Plus the thing and everything was getting old anyway. So I'm still using that one, obviously, because I haven't taken this one out yet. But now I am more carefree downstairs. I'm like, put whatever teas we have in there. I don't care if it stains it. But I did have a backup because I think this originally is like $20-something and I got it on sale for like $8. So I was like, we're getting another steeper. Of all the teas I have, I'm getting another steeper. So these were the purchases from David's Tea that pushed me over to become a super steeper. I don't even know what that entails. Okay, granted, at the end of this year, like once I hit that super steeper point, I think I still had 2 more purchases I did after that, and I was able to get into sales quicker, and I did get a bigger discount for one of the days. So I'm making a note for that for next year. But they also like certain stuff happens throughout the year too. I'm like, I'm excited to see, was it worth me spending as much as I spent at this place? So we'll see. But yeah, let me know if you have any of these, if you tried any of these teas, if you have mugs or anything. I'm obsessed with like these tumblers and then my cup. So yeah, let me know if you guys want a taste test on any of these teas. Obviously I've tried the matcha ones except for majority in this kit, and honestly I'm thinking about doing a mix like with matcha. So basically when I do these, I use about 5 teaspoons of matcha to make a matcha latte, which leaves me about a couple of teaspoons left over per each packet. So I'm actually thinking about taking like a teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of all the flavors in here, combining them and then tasting them. So I'm thinking about it. I'm not confirming nor denying that I'm gonna do it, but if you guys want to see that video, let me know, because I have the teas to do it. So it may happen. I might make a very interesting matcha latte. But that is pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you just found it entertaining. I like hauls, especially tea hauls or skincare hauls. Those are my favorite ones as well. What are your favorite hauls? I mean, if you're here watching, obviously you like tea, but what other type of videos do you guys like to watch? I'm kind of looking for some ideas for this channel. You guys know RandomlyNoria, so you don't ever know what type of video you're gonna get from me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do know when I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!